Want to uncover hidden real estate gems with character and history? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Zillow to specifically find older homes, perfect for history buffs or anyone looking for a unique renovation project. First, head over to Zillow.com and enter the location you're interested in, whether it's a city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code in the search bar. Once your results load, look for the filters button, usually located near the top of the page, right below the search bar. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, within the filters menu, scroll down until you find the year built section. It might be labeled similarly, but you're looking for options that allow you to specify the age of the property. Here's the key part: select the built before option, or the equivalent that lets you set a maximum year, then enter the year that marks the cutoff for what you consider an old home. For example, you could enter 1940 to find homes built before that year. After you've entered your desired year, close the filters menu. Zillow will automatically update your search results to display only properties that meet your criteria. Notice how the results now feature houses with architectural styles and details that reflect their age. Now you can browse through these listings and explore the historic homes in your chosen area. Check the details of each listing to confirm the year built and explore the unique features these properties have to offer. Happy house hunting, and good luck finding your piece of history.